Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to add caption on a Capcut project on a Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just open the Capcut application, and now you can just go creating a new project by just clicking this plus button over here, or you can also use the previous project that you have. So for today I want to show you the tutorial from the project that I have. So here I already have the video, and this video is have someone that talking in English. So let's have a check first.
Hello, my name is Miftah Sadia. I am 25 years.
Okay, so our mission here is for adding the captions. So we just need to convert what these girls say, so that there will be have a typewriting on the bottom related to what they say. Okay, so first thing we have to do is just go click the text over here, and after that you just need to go click a auto caption. Okay, so there will be an option. So either you want to have the caption, you want to extract the caption from the voiceover if your project have a voiceover on it. But if the project have no voiceover, or you want to extract from the original sounds from the video, you just need to click from video. And after that you can also adjusting the language. So if the girls of someone talking in the clip in English, you just need to click English. But if someone talk in the Indonesian, you just need to click Indonesian. You just need to select the language related to what language that the girl said on the video. And after that you just need to go click start, and just wait until all of the clip is converting into the captions, and done. Okay, almost there. So the duration of the converter will be depending to the length of the clip that you have. So here is done. So all of the girls say is already converted into the caption. Let's have a check.
Hello, my name is Miftah Sadia. I am 25 years old and I was completing my bachelor degree.
So that's all the way how to do auto caption on your Capcut project. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.